Hey, in this video, I will be showing you exactly how to get tier 10 in less than 4 minutes. Okay, so let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I think the piranha is the quickest animal to get to tier 10. To start off with, so I just get 2 piranhas, look at that. Already have 2. Now, people think getting tier 10 is hard, new players, but it's really not. If you're experienced, you can do it pretty effortlessly. So just keep selecting piranhas until you have, I'd say, at least 5. I'm nearly at tier 5 already, halfway there. But obviously, the tiers, you need more XP to get to every tier as you level up. So once you have 6 piranhas, you just want to level up until you can reach frogfish. Just keep boosting and keep eating as much food as possible. Another quick way is to eat the red things in the deep. There's really lots of quick ways to get to tier 10. So I'm at about tier 6 now. I'll wait a little longer. These sardines give lots of food. Okay, I will soon be frogfish. There's a crocodile, but I'm unfazed. He cannot phase me. Okay, so just spin around in a circle where there's lots of food. Suck up as much food as possible in all directions. And this is really the quickest way to get to tier 10 in my opinion. Frogfish is so strong at leveling up and eating food that you can really survive in any biome just by sucking up food very quickly. So this lamprey will not affect me getting to tier 10, so I don't really care. You want to avoid predators as much as possible. They will only slow you down. He's saying thanks, but little does he know, he will die pretty quickly. Okay. So I probably need another 30k or so, and then I will already be at tier 10. So the deep has lots of food, so suck up as much food in the deep, as you can see. I only need 10 more K and then I will be tier 10. Laggy a little bit, that will slow me down. But I still believe I will be able to get it in under 5 minutes. 4 minutes, sorry, under 4. Okay, so 1, 1. I will soon be tier 10. I need 4 more XP. Be about 5 more seconds. Okay, tier 10. There we go. So that should be under 4 minutes. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.